Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17 version on Oracle Linux 9.6. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to PostgreSQL official website, that is postgresql.org. Then see here at the time of installation the latest release of PostgreSQL server is 17.5. Click on download, then select Linux. Then scroll down, then we have to select RHL, Alma or Rocky. Okay, select it. See here, the PostgreSQL M repository currently supports on RHL, Rocky Linux, Alma Linux, CentOS, Oracle Linux and Fedora. Okay, so select the version. See here we have the versions from 13 to 17 and select the platform. See here we have the Red Hat, Rocky, Alma Linux or Oracle version. Okay, select Oracle Linux version 9 because I am on Oracle Linux 9.6. Then select the architecture. See here we have three types of architectures. Okay, and these are the list of the commands that needs to be executed to install the PostgreSQL 17.5 on Oracle Linux. Okay, open terminal, copy the first command. It will install the repository RPM. Paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. It is done. Now disable if there are any inbuilt PostgreSQL modules are there. So copy this command, paste it, Ctrl L, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Ctrl L. Now install the PostgreSQL server by using this command. Okay, sudo dnf install PostgreSQL 17-server. If you want to install 16, just give 16. Okay, if you want to install 15, give 15. If you want to install 14, give 14. So 17 is latest one, so give -server. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL server 17.5 on these dependencies. Type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. Again type and hit enter. We have successfully installed PostgreSQL server 17.5. Ctrl A. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL -17. Hit enter. See, we have installed PostgreSQL server 17. It is not started and disabled. Q to quit. Okay, first we have to initialize the database, so copy this command, paste it, hit enter. Okay, now start the PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL -17. We have started. Now enable it. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL -17. If you don't give the version, it won't work. Let me show you first with some version number. See, we have successfully started. See here the status is running and it is enabled. Okay, and you to quit, and see here this is the data directory. Okay, and these are the background processes running for the PostgreSQL server. Logger, checkpointer, background writer, wall writer, auto vacuum launcher, logical replication launcher, and these are the PIDs. Okay, suppose if you don't give the version, see, like if you give without version, it won't work. See, init PostgreSQL.service could not be found. Okay, Ctrl A. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we have successfully connected, and this is the version of the PSQL client version, not the PostgreSQL server version. To verify the PostgreSQL server version, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL server 17.5. Ctrl. Now verify the list of the users by running du or, that is /du, or select username from pg underscore users. User. See, we have only one user. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for this user. By running the command alter user Postgres with password, then provide the password. See, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. So here admin8123 is the password. Okay, hit enter. See, we have successfully set the password for the user Postgres. Okay, now verify the list of the databases. \l r select dat name from pg underscore database. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL Server installation. So create a database, now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use \c, then database name or \connect. Either is fine. Hit enter. See, you are now connected to database bank as user, Postgres user. Now verify list of tables. See, you don't have any tables. Let us create a table in this database. See, we have created table in public schema. This is the name of the table and the type of the object, and Postgres is the owner of the table. Okay, let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, Control A. Now create a user. We have successfully created. See, new user David is created. Now exit from the PostgreSQL server and connect with this new user. Okay, \q is the command to exit. PSQL-H means hostname. PostgreSQL is installed on this one. So give localhost -d Postgres-u. U means username. Then new username is David. We have to provide the password of this user. See, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Okay, so see, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have logged into the PostgreSQL server with the user David. Okay, now try to access the database that we have created. Now run the query against a table that is there in this database. See, permission denied for table customer. See, we have created user, but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Okay, exit. Now we will see how to start and restart PostgreSQL server on Oracle Linux 9.6. Okay, so we can't stop or start with this Postgres user. So exit, Control L. Now sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL -17. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is stopped and it is dead. Okay, Q to quit. Control A. We can also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we are unable to connect. Okay, so start it. As I told you, we can't start with this Postgres user. So exit, sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL -17. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server started 3 seconds ago. Q to quit. Control L. If you want to restart again, just use sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL -17. See, we have successfully restarted. Until now, we have connected PostgreSQL server by using the PSQL client. We can also connect PostgreSQL server by using the most popular tools like pgadmin or db, or you can search for my YouTube channel how to install pgadmin or db on Oracle Linux. Okay, so in this video, we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 17.5 on Oracle Linux 9.6. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.